Yesterday's RBI decision? Interest rate cut by 0.25%? Will EMI decrease? Is this good for the stock market? Profit for some, harm for some? Full analysis after yesterday's RBI policy meeting in this news package. What happened yesterday? Yesterday, the Reserve Bank of India concluded its monetary policy meeting. Many expected the same thing from this policy. Rate cut. It happened. Repo rate reduced by 0.25%, 25 basis points. This single decision, your EMI, home loan, stock market, business growth, savings interest, will make a big difference in everything. 5.50% to 5.25%, repo rate 0.25% reduction. Growth support focus. Inflation control mostly achieved. RBI view. RBI governor message? Now is the right time to support growth. So, economy gentle push edutukollalam. Why did RBI cut the rate now? 1. Inflation is under control. Food prices are slightly lower. Core inflation stable. 2. Economic growth speed was leaded. Demand boost, consumption increase. 3. Global central banks signal. Future easing expectation. So, RBI has taken a risk. Controlled rate cut. Who benefits after rate cut? Home loan borrowers. EMI will decrease slowly. Floating rate loan holders benefit the most. Example, 50 lakh loan 20 years. Saving a few thousand rupees per month in EMI. 2. Car loan and personal loan. Interest rate down, EMI relief. Motivation for new buyers. 3. Businesses and MSME. Loan cheaper, expansion plan easy, cash flow improvement. 4. Stock market, big winner. Rate cut is equal to liquidity boost. Banking, realty, auto, infra. So, investor sentiment, positive and optimistic. 5. Real estate sector. Home loan cheap, demand increase chance. Developers sentiment improve. Who is evil after rate cut? 1. Senior citizens, FD holders. FD rates will gradually decrease. New FD returns will decrease. 2. Pure FD of fixed income investors. Future reinvestment returns are low. 3. Banks, short-term margin pressure. Lending rate will decrease, profit margin pressure. But volume increase, long-term. 4. Rupee slight pressure. Slight against the dollar weakness. Imports are a bit expensive. After RBI policy market reaction, what happened yesterday? Market reaction. Opening sharp positive. Mid-session profit booking. Closing firm and stable. Yesterday's sector-wise winners? Banks, auto, realty, infra. Lagging, FMCG valuation pressure, IT global cues depend. Gold, rate cut long-term positive for gold, short-term global cues. Common man inflation, no immediate price drop, but demand boost, economy cycle strong. What next? Next 3 mudal 6 months outlook. If inflation control continues, future rate cuts. Chance. Growth pickup, but RBI pause mode. Investors message, rate cut cycle begins, but. Final summary, at a glance. RBI's 0.25% rate cut decision yesterday. Big benefit for borrowers. Positive signal for share market. Growth push for economy. Income pressure for FD investors. Overall, more good, less bad. Yesterday's RBI policy meeting has started a new economic chapter. This is not a decision for immediate profit, a decision aimed at future growth. What is your opinion? Is the rate cut the right time? What are you going to do in the market? If you like, do comment. Like, share, subscribe. Shining of Tyaga.